All right, let's see what Daddy got you. Hold on, I'm going to record it so Daddy can see you opening your present, okay?
Okay.
Let me just turn on the lights. All right, here you go. What did Daddy get you?
An Angry Bird.
Oh, how nice.
I have that one.
What else did he get you?
I don't know.
Let's see, squeeze him.
He squeezed.
That's it. Just the yellow one.
Yes.
It says squeeze me. What? Squeeze his head. Where his hair is. No, squeeze it with your fingers. What do you say to Daddy? What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Look at the camera and tell Daddy thank you.
Thank you.
Show show it to Daddy. All right, say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.